I can tell right now, just by looking at the box, how beat up the box is, that this was a return. Yep. Whenever they have, it's just packed like this inside of a bag. Because this has happened to me twice already. This is a return. It's usually they have it packed really neatly. You can tell by the creases in the boots that has been worn. Look at the bottom of the boots. They have been worn. I'm so disappointed with Dream Pair. I bought a pair once before through Just Fab, and it was the same issue. I had to lay the phone down. Now this one looks okay. No, it doesn't. Look. See all that? They tried to clean it up. Oh my goodness. This shoe, oh my goodness. How disgusting. Somebody have worn this boot. Oh, I'm just so upset at this point. What is in... They tried to clean the bottom of the boot, but they sent me here's the other one. You can tell by the edges that it's been worn. Guess you get what you pay for.